Alright, so what is up, everybody? So, I haven't made a video in a while actually, but today we're gonna take a look at the Ducky 1-2 full size in Cherry MX Browns. And, of course, it's a sound test, but the reason why I made this video is because just to let us remember. I remember back when everyone and their mom, especially little Fortnite kids, all wanted this keyboard. Well, at least the 60% version, the Ducky 1-2 Mini. But with the advancements in keyboards and how Chinese companies and how innovative the keyboard market has become, there's in my opinion, Ducky definitely has fell off. I mean, if we look over here, I didn't double check these, but if it's the same keyboard as this, they're charging almost like $100 for a keyboard that's like what, no RGB, non-lubed keys, or unlubed switches, and their switch selection is pretty lackluster. I mean, everyone back then all wanted Cherry MX switches, but there's just so many better options now. You know what I mean? Like for example, over here we got from Apple Maker, which is one of the budget brands that you see on Amazon. This only cost me what, like $70, and it's just so much nicer. Gasket mounted, better switches, loop switches. Yeah, so I mean, would I recommend someone buy one of these keyboards? Well, I'd recommend buying the EK, but buying a Ducky 1-2, especially the full size, in 2024, not really. But if you do want to buy either the EK 68, which I just showed, or this keyboard, if you really care, even though I'm saying you shouldn't, feel free to click the links in my description. That does help support this channel. And yeah, let's get on with the sound test. Alright, well, that was a sound test. But overall, I don't know. I don't see anyone spending $100 on this stuff, especially if you know what you're looking at and buy yourself good products. Buying name brand keyboards nowadays is kind of like you're not getting your money's worth. Especially looking at other options. I don't mind Cherry MX Browns, but I know keyboard community hates them. These are not lube. These stabs are like horrible. So yeah, don't waste your money. But if you did like this and you still plan to buy it, I mean, hey man, link in the bio, man.